running pattern because you got Camlin, I believe, to speak to right now.
Yes, of course. So Devang's creating the tires, but let's go straight to Dilip Dandekar, the CMD of Camlin, who is joining us on the phone line from Mumbai. Many thanks, Mr. Dandekar, for joining us on Midcap Mantra with Ashu Dutt. Just let me get straight to the point in terms of, prices of raw materials picking up, packing materials also continuing to rise, and also a lot of competition that you face within this sector, also the macroeconomic and political developments affecting your company. How much of an impact would you say this has on your margins?
Actually, the raw material impact is certainly there because of this government withdrawal of the stimulus package and the increase in the excise duty. But basically, the management is well equipped to balance the impact by increasing the production and reducing the production cost, which we are hopeful that for this first quarter we will be able to balance the increase in the cost by other measures what we are adopting.
Right. Dilip, good morning. Thanks for joining. I just wanted to ask you, Camlin is a brand, I'd consider myself ancient compared to some of the kids now, but, it's a brand we all grew up with. We're not seeing that in the stock price. Why is that? For somebody with your distribution network, you could distribute foreign products, you could, be a logistics company. Have you considered some of these options, which is using your distribution network not just to sell Camlin, but any stationery product anywhere in the world?
That's true. Basically, this distribution plays a very important role in making the products available, because the demand is good, but if the product is not available, it creates a problem. Competition is of course there, but this competition is in the what is so called as a metro cities, but in the rural market still they are not penetrated. Camlin has a very strong foothold in the rural market.
Right. Now, just coming to some of your numbers, Dilip, I noticed that your March 31st, 2010 sales were almost, it was 91 crores compared to 75 crores. Profits were, moved to almost 6 crores compared to about 3.8. You expect to maintain that trend, which means quarter by quarter you'd be able to do about 100 crores plus in this particular fiscal?
Yeah, basically, as if you see the trend for any stationery industry and wherever the education related products are there, the first quarter is always a good quarter because it's a school opening time. And even in the last year also, the first quarter, we have seen that we have done extremely well compared to the earlier year. So we'll be able to maintain the same trend this quarter also.
Right, Mr. Dandekar, currently the manufacturing facilities that you have are located in Jammu, Vasai, Tarapur, etc. But you're planning to invest about 50 crores in expanding your products. Would that perhaps be used to set up new plants or facilities?
Right now, there is no plan to have any more new plants, but basically the entire capex will happen now in next 2-3 years is the modernization of the existing plants, so that the productivity cost will go down and the margins will improve.
Right. Okay. Dilip, just one last question I had. Again, I kind of lost track of, the real estate that you were either selling or whatever. What's the status? You sold it? You got the money? What did you do with the money? Or you're going to sell it?
No, actually the real estate was sold long back. So that is the story, that's how the entire Camlin revival, what you see, has happened because of that sale of real estate, offering the VRS to the large number of employees. And that has helped in reviving the entire structure of the company. Okay,
great. Thank you for joining us, Dilip Dandekar of Camlin, and walking us through your company. We have Russell T, I believe. So please go ahead.
Right. So we have Mr. H.M. Gupta, the Executive Chairman of Russell T, who is joining us on the phone line from Delhi. Mr. Gupta, thanks for being with us on Midcap Mantra with Ashu Dutt. In fact, if we have seen that the rainfall has been quite adequate as per the Met Department's predictions, but in